Wall of Tears, Mount Waialeale, Kauai, Hawaii. Mount Waialeale, the volcano shield and the second highest point on the island of Kauai, Hawaii. The Hawaiian language Waialeale means dimpling water or sloping water. Top of the volcano is one of the wettest point on Earth. Since 1912 there falls each year 11,500 mm, and in 1982 then dropped record rainfall 17,300 mm. When the rainwater flows down the mountain height of 1,569 meters, its form countless streams. Part of the mountain Waialeale called Wall of Tears because on the edges of tropical green mountains, waterfalls flowing down so much that it creates a feeling that the mountain is crying. Mountain Waialeale is a volcanic crater and the second highest point on the island of Kauai in Hawaii. Kauai is the oldest island of the Hawaiian Islands. Waialeale vertex located in the heart of the island array, presenting a mute testimony to Sirius' birth. Mount Waialeale complicated for hiking climbing. The mountain slopes are nearly vertical, and the ground is covered by trees and plants, with a dense undergrowth of ferns. Yet here there are several hiking trails. But to actually see the Wall of Tears, we'll have to use a helicopter, and even then require considerable amount of luck to look at it. On this site very often thick clouds. There are several reasons for such a large amount of precipitation on Waialeale. Primarily, Kauai is the northernmost of the main Hawaiian islands, so it undergoes greater influence fronts bringing rain in winter. Secondly, the shape of round and conical Waialeale, whereby all available mountainsides winds bringing moisture. The third reason is that the top of the mountain is located just on the trade winds of the atmosphere, 1,829 meters, above which the clouds brought by the trade winds cannot climb. Finally, the steep slopes of the mountains are the reason that the air quickly rises to a great height, 910 meters, at a relatively short distance, 800 meters, and thus most of the rain falls in one place. Top of the mountain quite deserted, despite all the water it receives. One reason for this is that a very small number of species of plants and trees can cope with the amount of rainfall. And also, because the top of the mountain most days of the year draw clouds to the Earth's surface comes very little sunlight, which would help to grow the trees. However, fungi and lichens thrive here. The most popular destination on the island of Maui is Honokohau Falls. The water here falls from a height of more than 100 meters and all its power falls into the cavity, then to continue its run. Honokohau Falls fame ensured shooting the film Jurassic Park, which took place in these places. Waterfall, caught in one of the scenes of the film, was able to interest many viewers with its amazing beauty. Over time, the continuous flow of water has spawned a number of remarkable phenomenon like Gorge in Waimea, Hawaiian Little Grand Canyon. Spillway Waialeale also fills a maze of streams running into the plain through numerous waterfalls and eventually forming the only navigable rivers in Hawaii, Waimea, Vailua, Makaveli, and Hanapepe. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.